Hey guys, so this is just another tip for you guys doing your installs for the 16 to 18 Honda Civic grill. Whether you're doing an aftermarket or an OEM grill, usually you got a pretty big gap right here once you put them back on. Once you put the grill on, because there's nothing really supporting those tabs. Once you take off the factory one the first time, even if you take it off and put the same one right back on, you'll have that gap right there. This one don't have the gap even though it's an aftermarket grill, because we add those little pieces of sheet metal in between, so it actually puts pressure, so that the pressure keeps those clips in so that it won't be popping out. I'm sure a lot of you guys probably seen that big gap right here in between the grill and the bumper on a lot of these new 10th gens. So that's just a little tip for you guys.